Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're brand new. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and taking time to watch it. I really appreciate it. I am so pumped to film today's video because I have found gems that you need in 2019 and the rest of your life. Like, they're so good. I've been using all these products for the past like 2 months and you need to hear about them. Like, I feel like I'm keeping a secret from you. You just need to hear about them. If you guys are excited to hear about all these drugstore favorites and just amazing products that I want to tell you about, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe if you are new and click that bell so you get notified for future uploads, and comment down below what you think of this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, also when you subscribe you join the GORIAGANG, which is so cool. So I am wearing most of this stuff on my face, which is pretty cool. So I'm first going to start with my lip because that is like the most exciting thing for me to share with you guys right now. Shout out to my sister Nazanin Kavari. No, she's not really my sister, but we're both Persian, so we're kind of sisters. She mentioned this on her channel, and it was the NYX Nude Truffle Lip the NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. And I swear to you, I promise, like, it's the best lip liner I've ever tried. The formula is so good, and I'm going to go and swatch the color right here. Oh my gosh. It is so creamy. This is the most perfect brown. It's what is on the outline of my lips right now. And the gloss, she did not talk about, but I've had this for a very long time. I got it actually from my cousin Cassidy. She had a wedding, and her little gift to all of us, it was one of these inside of the little bag she gave us. So it's a NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Madeline. Oh my goodness. When I tell you this is my favorite gloss, it's what I'm wearing right now. It's my favorite gloss. Look how pretty. It's the perfect nude, and I don't know, I've been loving this lip color lately. It's all I've been wearing in like half my videos, and every single day I'll just wear this lip combo. It lasts long and it just looks juicy. Like, it looks so good on the lips. And I think both of these combined were like under 15 bucks, or maybe even under 10, like I don't remember. But this NYX Nude Truffle Liner, which is this is just called the lip pencil, and this is called the Butter Gloss in Madeline. This combo, you need it. Like, you need it. Like, go to Target right now, go to Walmart, go to Walgreens, like, go get it now. And don't forget CVS. Alright, so I'm currently not wearing these lashes right now, but this is a new pack that I've just purchased. This is from Walgreens, and they are the Kiss lashes in the style 11. This is the double pack. Girl. I have been wearing these like crazy. I have finally just gotten into lashes. Well, I've always been into lashes, but I just finally figured out how to apply them. Like, it took me 5 years to figure out how to apply them. But these are my favorite drugstore lashes right now. They're absolutely gorgeous. They come with this little tool so you can clamp your lashes a little bit better. I'm going to talk about a really nice eyelash clamper in a few seconds, but yeah, comes with a free one. These lashes are just really nice and wispy and long and dramatic, but they're not too overpowering on my eye. They're absolutely so good, and yeah, I can't say enough great things about them. Let's move on to face products. So currently I have been breathing for this new PIXI GLOSSAMER duo. Actually, I've talked about this many times on my channel, and it's obviously not new because that handwriting is literally almost off. But this is everything. I'm gonna swatch it right now. Ooh. This is in the shade Subtle Sunrise. When I tell you, I just barely touched those. I literally barely touched them. Oh my goodness. PIXI killed it. I'm wearing it right now on my cheeks. Some may say this is way too blinding of a highlight. Some may say it's perfect. I personally think it's absolutely perfect. I've been reaching for it every single day when I wear makeup, and it's just perfect. Doesn't emphasize texture. And I know this is probably like one of the most expensive things out of this video. That's a drugstore, but it's so worth it because I've been using this for like over 6 months and haven't. Did I just break it? Oh my gosh. Did not break it, but what I was saying is that I have not hit pan. They should get this. Oh my gosh, and something else you need to know about is this Burt's Bees blush in the shade, oh, is this Adore Me? No, it's in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. I have this like little tag over it. This is Busted, Crusted, Rusted, and I think Dusted is the last word. Oh my goodness. It's the blush I'm wearing right now. Like I told you, I'm wearing most of the stuff on my face so I can show you guys. It's the most perfect warm tone blush that adds a really pretty bronze look to your skin, but doesn't make you look too orange or something. It is perfect. It's neutral, it's pretty, and I feel like this would be good on all skin tones. The formula is also really amazing, and yeah, I don't know if this is gonna swatch well. I mean, like, most blushes don't swatch well. Oh, that wasn't bad. But yeah, it's really pretty, it's buildable, and it's from the drugstore, so this is amazing. Just kidding, I don't have another lash clamper to talk about, sorry. This is the only one. Okay, so next up, if you saw my Ice Goddess Glow makeup tutorial, you will have seen that I used the NYX Glitter Primer. Oh my goodness. This totally made a whole difference in my eyeshadow and the way it applied. It was smoother, it was softer, and it was just just cuter. It was all around just better. Now I know this is a glitter primer, so you're supposed to use this with glitters, but I actually used it with just a dry eyeshadow, and the pigment was insane, and it was rich, and it was opaque. It was amazing. NYX killed it on this, and every time I use a shimmer now on my eyes, I've been going for this if I don't use concealer. It's so good. Alright, I personally feel like this is a hidden gem at the drugstore, but this is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade 315 Deep Brown. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you will have known that this is my favorite brow pencil. I've used it in a couple of my videos before. It's so good. It's the best drugstore brow pencil I've ever found. And I'm going to swatch it right here. It's so pigmented, so pretty, so creamy, and I do my brows with it every single day. My brows are looking a little crazy right now, but yeah, I do my brows every single day with this product, and it's so good. And then to lock it all in place, I like to use the Essence Make Me Brow, and this is in the shade 02 Brownie Brows. This is like a dupe for Give Me Brow, but my only tip with this stuff is when you take it out of here, you have to like knock off the excess, otherwise you're gonna have way too much in your brows. But I just like to sweep through my brows, and it makes my brows stay on lock. It also adds more color to all the sparse areas that I had missed. Now I go to even out this side. But yeah, this brow gel is perfect. I got this one at Ulta, and I'm pretty sure it was like $2.99. It's so good. And they have all the colors too, like depending on your brow color. Alright, we're getting on to the last little bit. I'm going to talk about the Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier Set and Refresh Spray. Now, I do consider this drugstore because of the price, but this is my favorite drugstore setting spray. It has a really nice mist. It just kind of flows. Doesn't really smell like anything. It low-key smells like hand sanitizer, but I'm not mad about it because the product is actually amazing. I really like this because I feel like sometimes when my makeup is just dull and I feel like I have too much powder on, and the pigment of my, you know, bronzer and blush like isn't there. When I spray this on my face, I just feel like it just brings everything to life. And that's funny because it's called the Beauty Amplifier, but it really does amplify my makeup and just kind of bring the pigment to surface. And I don't know, this just really helps my makeup, and it prolongs the longevity too. It's just so good. It doesn't make me dewy or matte either. It's kind of like just a regular setting spray. Alright, this next product, I'm sure you've heard about this unless you're hiding in a box, but this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Clear Eyes Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. Oh my goodness. When I say this is the best drugstore mascara I've ever tried, I'm like 100% serious. This is truly the best mascara. I love this mascara. Oh, I can't even open it. Now, let me just put a disclaimer out there. I do have to get a new one every month and a half because it does dry out pretty quickly. But, oh my gosh, the applicator, it's amazing. It literally makes your lashes look fake and false. And you just kind of have to like take a little off the top once you pull it out. But oh my goodness, it's so good. It is so black. Sometimes I do get clumps, so I just have to take like a spoolie and just kind of spoolie through my brows. But other than that, it's an amazing mascara. It does not flake on me. It looks so good on my eyelashes, and the color is amazing. Like, it is the deepest black, and I know sometimes people are like, oh, mascara is good. I'm like, but did you check the color? Because sometimes it's light black or too much of like a blue black, but this is black. Like, this is a good one. I suggest this mascara for anybody. It's so good. And then the last product we have to talk about today is the Sephora Collection Brush Tip Lash Adhesive Lash Glue. I love this because, one, it is drugstore, and also my main reason for loving this is that it does not irritate my eyes. I have sensitive eyes. I wear contacts, so a lot of things like bother me, but this lash glue does not bother me. It is so good. It comes in a little tube like so, and then you just open it, and it does have the brush tip. I prefer a brush applicator than anything else. I don't like when you have to squeeze it on there and you get too much and it just gets messy. But yeah, it looks like this, and it's amazing. And like I said, I got this at Sephora. It's just been my favorite lash glue, and it actually does keep my lashes on all day. And something else I really love about this lash glue is that it doesn't pull at me. You know how sometimes like you get lash glue on your actual eyelashes and it's like you're pulling at your actual lashes? Not relevant with this one. For me, it comes off really easily. Maybe that's the makeup wipes and makeup remover that I used, but other than that, this is so good, and you need this. Like, you really do need this. Alright guys, so those are all the drugstore products that I have been loving lately. I know there wasn't too many, but I'm just kind of dabbling into the drugstore lately, finding what is good and what is not good, and sharing it with you guys. Let me know down below if you have any more requests, whether it is about a drugstore video or just anything. I'll be more than happy to film a video for you of your request. Don't forget to subscribe if you have made it this far, and if you are new and joined the Goria Gang, click that bell so you get notified for future uploads. I love you guys so much. I post twice a week, by the way, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys!